Fire Alarms and Sprinklers provides installations, inspections, and maintenance for just about any fire protection equipment you need or already have. Our products include fire alarms, sprinklers, fire extinguishers, and much more. We leave nothing to chance, using our own certified trained technicians for all of our inspections. For more information, give us a call at 305-233-1120. And you can also reach us toll-free at 877-FAS-5900. For quality fire protection at affordable prices, contact Fire Alarms and Sprinklers today. Fire Alarms and Sprinklers, serving you today for a safe tomorrow.